Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, classmates. Today, I will present and show you my land formation, my miniature project land formation. First, we got the island. Island is a small land formation surrounded by water. Mountain. Mountain is high and steep and is shaped like a cone. Plain. Plain is a flat land formation where we live. Plateau. Plateau is steep like mountain, but on the top is flat, and some people also live there. Volcano. Volcano is steep like mountain and plateau, but with an opening on the top called crater, and sometimes it erupts lava and magma. So right now I'm gonna show you the number of population of each land formation. Island. Key. Each heart represents 10 people. Island. There are 70 people living on island. Mountain. There are 50 people living on mountain. Plain. There are 90 people living on plain. Plateau. There are 40 people living in plateau. Volcano. There are 30 people living on the bottom